In this lesson, I want to walk you through some of my favorite ways to share the presentation that we've been building in this course. In a perfect world, we would always be able to present in person, but when that isn't the case, there are always other options. First up, let's talk about some tips for sending your presentation directly to others. My favorite way to do that is to save a presentation as a PDF. Just in case your recipient doesn't have PowerPoint, it's thoughtful to give them a PDF. To do that, let's go to File, Export. Now, let's choose Create PDF/XPS document. Now, we'll simply go ahead and pick a place to save our PDF and then save it. Let's open it up and have a look, and you can tell that it looks great in a PDF viewer. This is a good step to make a PowerPoint presentation more shareable, and it also removes the option for the user to edit the original PowerPoint presentation file. Another option that I want to show you is the ability to share your presentation using PowerPoint Online. This is a free online service from Microsoft that you can use to post your presentation and invite others to view or edit it. I'm going to go ahead and jump over to PowerPoint Online, which lives inside the web browser. It's robust enough that you can use it to replace PowerPoint when needed, and all you need is a Microsoft account to use it. To get my presentation online and make it available to PowerPoint Online, let's jump back to the desktop version of PowerPoint and save it to OneDrive. I'll come to the Save options and then go ahead and save it to my OneDrive account. This will keep it in sync between both the desktop app and PowerPoint Online. I'll save it to the same OneDrive account that I use with PowerPoint Online. Remember, this Microsoft account is free, so don't hesitate to create one. Now let's pop back to PowerPoint Online, and when I refresh here, you'll see that the presentation is available here on the side. I'll go ahead and open it up, and you can see that this is basically our presentation right inside a web browser. At this point, you can do a variety of things. You could just click Start Slideshow and present it. This is helpful if you want to give your presentation at a moment's notice, even on a computer that doesn't have PowerPoint installed. But for now, let's look at sharing the presentation with people. I'll go ahead and click on that option. First, we can invite others to collaborate with us. Let's drop an email address, a note, and set a key setting here below. In that setting, you can choose to let your recipients edit or view by changing that option. Also, another option is to just get a link, a URL that you can give to anyone to access the presentation. This is helpful if you're distributing it to an audience and don't want to invite individuals one after another. Grab a link from here and send and share it to make it easy to get to your presentation. Finally, I'll hit close and let's look at one last option. I'll click Edit Presentation here at the top and choose Edit in Browser. I just want to show you that you could really make quick edits to the presentation even from a web browser. If you see a typo or a change you need to make at the last minute, this can be a real lifesaver. And remember, because we saved it to OneDrive, Microsoft's free cloud storage solution, the changes will stay synced. Even if you aren't using this to send the presentation to others, it can be a good step to save your presentation in the cloud for safekeeping. Then, if you're in a room and giving a presentation, you could just access it from the computer that's in the room. Any of these are a great way to share a presentation when you can't get in the same room with someone else. Think about these the next time you need to present and can't find a common time to share. In this course, you learned some of my favorite tools for giving a presentation using Microsoft PowerPoint. Above all, I can't tell you how much that I like to outsource some of the hard work of building a presentation to the artist.